Hey, you. Yeah, you watching the video. What's happening? If you haven't already, can you give me a big thumbs up right quick, like? And also, can you hit that subscribe button to help your boy out tremendously? I greatly appreciate it. Thank you kindly.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show is about to begin.
Yo, what's up, gang? Welcome back. And as promised, I got an update on Nina. And if you don't know Nina is this big 948cc beautiful little thing we got right here. You dig? Nina. You know why we call it Nina? There you go. But yeah. Without all that, man, we gonna get right into the updates. You dig? One of the updates is, bam, CB Racing, crank cover, clutch case covers. We got it on both sides. I had ordered them before, but this side came without the thread up in here. You couldn't put the screws in. So Big Run, shout out to Big Run, he made me some. He, you know, master mechanic on these bikes. He hooked it up for me, threaded, and they gave me a refund. Got them off eBay. Ain't nothing crazy, nothing special. Little eBay special, so you gotta get it how you live. One of my other new updates. I did an update before, but I deleted it because a lot more stuff came in. I got the Louis Moto. You know what I mean? I got the Louis Moto seat on here with the diamond stitch comfort seat. You know, and you know, you have to put it on yourself. Doesn't come like that. You gotta wrap him. So I wrapped him myself. You'll see the video on that if you haven't already. And one of my favorite upgrades right now, gang, is, I already know, bam, that good carbon fiber. Let me do it again. Let me show you again like that. Bam! That carbon fiber joint on you. Look at all that carbon fiber. Watch it. We got it right here too. We got it right here. Watch this. Bam! Carbon fiber. We got the carbon fiber shield, windshield. We got the carbon fiber front fender. And this right here is not carbon fiber. I forgot to order this, or whatever reason, being cheap, whatever, I don't know. But this is Hydro Dip, also off of eBay. This comes from Moto Composites out of Canada. But this, when we put this on, like, hold on, this is not carbon fiber. But I already had it, and I was ready to put it on, like I already got it. So at least let me run it a minute, let me see what it do. I didn't want to change it, but you know, you can see the difference. Kinda, we keeping it anyway. I got my quick release lever from Manny at Moto Million. I forgot to put 650E code in, so I didn't get the discount from Eve. But yeah, quick release, bam. Make it do what it do. Put that back on there, hold on. We fumbling with it. Hold on, I'm messing with my hole. Boom. We got that. Oh, no, don't get it twisted now. We got more carbon fiber. The whole chain guard and rear hugger setup. Or should I do it like this? All of that. You know, the whole chain guard back here. All the way down. And also I got the heel guards in carbon fiber. The carbon fiber up around this joint. Got that on both sides. You know, looking good. We got the Z. You know, the green don't really match, but I had to try it anyway. I might get these, what do you call that? Powder coated the same color if I can. And I also got these, which I have in black. You know, I ordered them in green the first time. That's how I get black, but they came black. I kept them, and I think I might put the black back on there because I don't really like the green, but I think I'm going to get all of this powder coated. It's the same as the frame. And you know the basics. If you see my video, you seen this. We got the OES sliders. You know that. We got the axle slider. You know, we got the rear cowl. Also from eBay, people, no need for links. Just look on eBay and pick you one. It's not rocket science. And we got the TST Industries integrated tail light and fender eliminator kit on there. You know what that do. As always, you know, we got the flush mount front signals. eBay levers. eBay levers work just as good as anything else. And the full Acra with the carbon fiber tip to match up all the carbon fiber we got on here. And you know, the one design, that kept coming off, man. I had to glue that. It looked a little tacky. I got to clean it up. That shit kept coming off. You know, the Pro Grip from Cycle Gear. Nothing special. The grips. My favorite mirrors, bar ends. These should come OEM. These should come stock on every bike. Much better, look better, you can see better. And this ain't really an upgrade. You can take this off, you put that on anything. But that's about it. As far as I know, you know we got the lights. Let me see, can I get a quick light show? It's sunny. It's always sunny in South Florida. Sometimes. Let me see, can I get a light show right quick? Nah, it's too sunny out. We about to get, oh, we might got some action. We got some motion. We got motion right there. We moving and grooving. You already know what that about. Yeah, much better on this side. We got the light from, I think it's Joe, Florida. If I'm not mistaken, Joe, Florida, you can order those. Had them a while back. I don't even think I got any footage on that, but nevertheless, you can get you some different colors. Naturally, I got green. I didn't want to taste the rainbow. I ain't do none of that. So I just kept it like this so they can see me in South Florida when I'm riding, because people drive, you know, ridiculous down here. Like, dang. So that's what that is. Let me get them off. Look way better at night, it is. Turn that off. Here's how the thing looks. And you just hit him with the boom. That's one setting. Two setting. So you can just drop him like that where it stays on. You can just, you know, it goes up, goes off. Boom. Then you hit him like that. There it is. Turn him off. And yeah, cover it up so you don't accidentally turn them on. Got my little clutch or brake, just depends on how you turn it. Little keychain, nothing major. I think that's it about the upgrades. Let me see. Can I give you a little taste test of what's going on here? Oh, give me a second right now. Let me get him in neutral. Give you a quick start up. Oh yeah, we got the Z900 radiator guard. Forgot about that. Let's Google that and find you here. Pipe fluid up. Full aquaphobic with the ECU flash and tune on the dyno. But let me let you know what it sounds like. Check this out. If you think I'm here to play around with y'all, God damn it, I'm not. You already know what it is. And as always, I am the real P Chase. And you can follow me on that gram, and I will let you know who I am.